it's her vlog. Let her do what she wants. Yeah, but I'm still curious. Sorry, I'm still curious. So I guess we have to wait in the future. She's gonna tell us.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning, guys. I was awake at 5 something o'clock in the morning, and time check now it's 7:01. Oh, Tommy add water. That's the thing about Tommy. Yesterday I remember this coffee pot over here, coffee maker. Water is right here. I said, I'm gonna add it tomorrow morning when I'm having breakfast. Obviously, Tommy did it. Tommy can't take it. He doesn't like when the coffee maker, the water is very low. He always like add egg. No. I'm going to make egg. It's a sunny side up. That's what I always like. One tiny egg. We don't like tiny egg, but we don't have a choice. And of course, I'm going to have my croissants. Yeah, croissants. Because I don't have this for a long time. For a while now, because I have always the pancakes that Tommy made. Hey guys, I'm just looking for my hairbrush. It's not in the second floor, so I guess it's in my purse. I can't find it here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put something on my face. Like, you know, charcoal oiling. Charcoal oiling, pakaling-kaling. Tatlong itlog, prakalarog-klarog. Anyway, guys, good morning. I know it's just the same over and over. Tommy is working today, and I'm gonna put this right here, close to me. I'm just looking for my, you know, special stuff. I have my thing right here. Crazy. I use this a lot, guys. Look at that. I'm just gonna, you know, put a little bit. I'm not gonna put a foundation because I'm not going nowhere. Just a little bit of this. Oh my god, guys, I want you to see this, guys. I want you to see this. Look what happened over there.
These kids show remarkable courage every day as they battle.
I think they try to fight.
No one should ever have to face.
There is a woman over there and a guy. I think they're like, look at their tail. It's kinda open. That means somebody's trying to tell somebody, this is my woman. It's not your woman. Why you're cheating on me? Huh? Why? Honestly, look what happened. The three of them are kind of like, okay, calm down, boy, calm down. Let's walk. You can have me too. Anyway, guys, if this is Philippines, these turkeys are gonna be yummers in the kettle, yummers in the kitchen. There's so many guys. I've been sitting in my dining room and I've been seeing a lot of them walking past, going that way over there, and yeah, going over there, and there's still more. There's more right there. Look how many is that. There's so many. Yeah, if you are Bisaya in the grew up in the province, you probably know this word. Manglitag. I don't know, guys, if you heard that word litag. Manglitag. What we used to do with the litag thing is we go to the bushes, to the area. There's a lot of wild birds, longer birds, long legs birds, anything that we can get from the bushes, from the forest, like lizard. How do you call that? Big lizard, or I don't know. They have a name, like a big lizard or big whatever is like. What is that? It's hard to explain. Like, for example, we give food, and then once they get the food in that certain place, or they step in that certain place, we call them by that litag thing. I don't know how to explain it, but this is gonna be so good. If you guys are in the Philippines, you probably don't know. We're gonna be adobo you. Ano lang ako nagdo-double kasi yung basa yung buhok ko. My hair is wet, so that's why I'm wearing double. Because I can still feel the cold and the in my back, my hair. Yung simple lang yung ginawa ko, guys. I really don't like this eyebrow, guys. From the other side. Oh well, they're not twins, so. Anyway, guys, I'm going to film the other video that Tammy and I made. And there is few questions over there. I will answer it by myself without my baby and without my Tommy. And so that's what I'm going to do right now. And then also I'm going to edit some videos from yesterday's for today's vlog. And because there is some few clips in the end yesterday's vlog that is not included in my laptop, I forgot to download it. Anyway, guys, time check, guys, it's 9:30 in the morning. I've just been watching vlog. Doesn't really do my own vlog. Well, I'm done editing with my vlog yesterday, and some of that, hold on guys, I block you with my laptop, and some of that shout out is gonna be today. And also, guys, I want to tell you something that, you know, it's not being, I'm curious. I'm watching Simply Rhaze vlog right now, and being curious, it's not bad, guys. Okay, so I'm curious what's Simply Rhaze's job, and I know she doesn't want to see what's her job. She doesn't want to tell her viewers, because maybe in the future she will. Simply Rhaze viewers, you're curious too. I'm curious if I have magic. Oh, I know her job now. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm curious, really. If you are Simply Rhaze viewers, I'm sure you're curious, but you just don't see it. You're just like, you know, it's her vlog, let her do what she wants. Yeah, but I'm still curious. Sorry, I'm still curious. So I guess we have to wait in the future. She's gonna tell us. I'm watching them right now. But anyway, I'm also watching few vloggers, but I'm going to make this turon because it's been unfrozen for a long time, well, since Monday. So I'm gonna fry this. I'm going to fry this right here, and I know it's kind of just really, it's a lot for me to fry that now. All of them. I love the pot that Tommy bought, guys. It's really nice, and it's sturdy. It's really not wiggle right now. It's stay put in the same place. And how many is in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 20 all. I guess I'm gonna eat it all. What? I'm gonna eat it all. It's kind of small compared to the other one. It's really tiny, guys. I don't expect this. Look, it's how tiny it is. That's why it's 20 pieces. The other one, the Saba turon, it's more, it's a lot inside. This is not right. Let's see how the taste like. Let's see when we try if it tastes like. Let's flip it over. Because it's kind of burning. It's kind of burning already. It's not kinda, it's burning already. It's burning. Ay, naka. It is good, but it's kind of boring. Oh, no. It's good, but it's boring at the same time because you don't have the jackfruit and the saba in it. This is my lunch, guys.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Taxi!
Hi guys, Tommy just called me, so I stopped my freaking karaokeing and I'm in my laptop again. I kind of feeling that I'm going to have my thing today or tomorrow. I don't know when, but I feel like I'm going to have that thing. Hello guys. Okay, I'm gonna do a shout out. Shout out to Rebecca Liamasores. That is Prince and Pink Salmoni. Pink Salmoni. Hi to you. Shai Smooth, Marge, Tiana, to Glinda, Sawi. Thank you sis for the team Tommy and MaryAnn. Thank you. And Mila Lastimoso. Nori Evans, Iglesia Soronyuhan. Thank you. And Karen Siliano. And also to Ila Piruki, to Arin Tiari Flower. Hi Ganda, thank you for watching. And also Maricel to all, Merly Bisunia, Lordy Salvador, Eileen, and also to Jisa Floragi, Lizelle Crane, hi. Friend Searcher, hi. Ave Aim, Lynn Baximin, and also to Magdalena Flores, Mia Sandoval, Cecil Joy Shai, Patrick Shai, Aline, hi Aline, to Merlin Bisonia, to Mary Jane Bisonia, and Cousin Mia. Hi to you guys. And also shout out to Lynn and Cheetah. And also shout out to Alphon family and Cheetah family and Iribani family. So this is from Lynn and Cheetah. Hi. So that is Prince. Hi. Mirna Reyes. To Cecilia Navarro. Candy. To Sumpay Mars. And advance happy birthday. Her birthday is April 11. And it's already 1:56 in the afternoon, guys. And I haven't eaten anything yet. Well, I have this one. Let's eat again one time. Hello, I just finished watching Saichi Johnson's video from Cancun. Oh my god, sis, if you're watching this video, sis, I watch your video. Every time you upload, I can't wait because it's amazing. Every time you upload a video, it's kind of like, I want to be your friend, sis. Hit me. Anyway, guys, did you see my face? It's really nice, guys. And like after doing the DIY egg white and mayonnaise, it's really nice. And the camera is not nice anymore because I start vlogging and then it start dying. What is that all about? What is that all about? So yeah, so I'll be right back. If this battery of my camera have their own mind, they would probably, or talk, they would probably think and tell me, stop charging me, girl. I'm gonna go cray, girl. I'm gonna die quick because you keep charging me. Well, yeah, I've been charging my cell battery like this. Oh, back. Saichi Johnson's chai. You're my friend. I wanna be your friend. You are so good. Oh my god, you're so good looking. You have a perfect family, and you have a baby. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Colorado. I wanna go there. I heard a lot of nice places in Colorado. That kinda like looking mountain thing. What? It's a red thing. I don't know. There's a lot of nice place in Colorado. I wanna go there one day. Yeah, Colorado. I have my sister-in-law live there. My sister-in-law live in Colorado, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure anymore, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm still wearing double thing, yellow and maroon. I just like, I like to be comfortable and not cold here. But you don't come here.
Hi. I come there tonight. I put a leader there tonight.
No.
I put a cigarette tomorrow.
No cigarette. You still have cigarette here. You still have cigarette in the house. You're not gonna die, hon. Huh? You have cigarette here. I found a lot in here downstairs when I go downstairs.
I put a couple over there.
No. Yeah, so use that. Hi guys. I've decided I'm gonna eat lunch now. Dinner now, guys. I decided to eat dinner, guys. And I'm gonna have the sausage. I'll put you right high. And anyway, guys, I am also watching a Ghost Rider. Anyway, it's a early dinner for me because I'm hungry already. Hello, I'm just uploading. Hey guys, I am just here editing the video. Shout out to Roseanne Magno, and she is patiently waiting. Shout out to Casey Brooke. To her husband also, Mardy Bulitoy.
What you gonna do? What you gonna?
Hi guys, I just keep vlogging, but I just realized guys, when I was vlogging, I'm just doing time lapse with my face. Oh Lord, always thinking about my family and stuff like that. Thinking, and what's what, and mahirap guys. It's hard to be far away, really, into your legit family. You know, it's not easy, and it's far. You can't just like, once you want to be with somebody, you want to be with your family. It's not easy because it's far. You can do it like just that. When you're far away from your family and long distance, and it's not, you can't just go visit your family that easy. You need to plan it years and years to go visit, and saving also, save for going back, and it's hard. I can't wait. I really want to go have a job. Busog na busog ako guys. I eat a lot of rice, vegetables, and the sausage. I don't finish the sausage, and I eat half of it, and it's 7:55 already in the evening guys, and I'm gonna shut all the light off because this is who I am. Somebody told me you have to turn your lights on. No, hold on. So ganito ako guys, lights on over there, and oh, my laptop is not fully charged yet. Sobrang hirap guys malayo sa familia. Hello. So anyway guys, good night. I'm going to end this vlog early today. It's not really much vlog today, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all your time guys. Tammy will pick me up, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you with Tammy tomorrow. Bye. Good looking Tammy. Look at this. Elvis Presley mixed with Fernando Fu. Look, he's already shy.